Hi everyone and welcome to this demo of MSMV Design software. I've prepared a presentation about software that designs kitchens for clients with all the details included. I'll also show you the version specifically made for your clients. MSMV is a web and cloud-based software, which means you can access it from any device. Everything is saved to the cloud, so whenever you log in, your work will be there. There's no need to download anything, and it's easy to share designs with clients. Our software can also be integrated with your own domain, allowing visitors to create their own designs directly on your website, using your logo and cabinets. They can then proceed to purchase cabinets through your site. In this demo, I'll walk you through the basics, show how to create a layout, place cabinets, customize materials, render in 3D, and generate a quote. When you open MSMV Design, this Start screen appears. I'll skip the built-in tutorial for now and click Start Designing to begin with a blank project. The big grid in the center is your design workspace. This is where you draw the room and place all the cabinets and appliances. On the left, we have the category bar. Here you choose what you want to add: layouts, cabinets, closets, appliances, countertops, flooring, windows, doors, decorations, or furniture. Along the top is the action bar, with tools like measure and lights, plus save, share, undo, redo, render, and print. At the bottom, you can switch between 2D and 3D views, and in the top right, you'll find project settings and extra tutorial. That's the basic layout of MSMV Design. Now let's create a full kitchen step by step. Let's start by drawing the walls. Click on Layout. I will turn off the tutorial mode for now, but you can always turn it on later. You can choose one of the predefined layouts or draw the walls manually. I'll show you how to draw an L-shaped 10 by 10 kitchen. Click on Solid Wall and start drawing the walls on the canvas. Click Escape. For easier and faster navigation on the canvas, just left-click and hold the mouse. This lets you pan and move around the drawing. Use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out. Always draw the layout close to the center for better renders and easier camera positioning. I'll select the walls and move them to the center. To change the measurements of the walls, right-click on the wall and change the width. Click Apply. Next, let's place the appliances. Here on the left, you will find the full appliance library, and one great feature is that you can save your favorite models. Right-click on the favorite model and click on this heart. So instead of searching every time, you just click once and your preferred refrigerator or range appears immediately. Place the fridge on the canvas. When you move the fridge close to the wall, it immediately turns and sticks to it. Now I will add the base cabinet. Change the style to white shaker. We have a lot of styles available. You can change the style later. Click on the cabinet and move it to the canvas. Let's choose the range. Now a corner cabinet. You can find it here. Base, corner. Right-click on the cabinet to turn it. Good. Let's place the sink face. A dishwasher. And the last base cabinet. To see how it looks, click on 3D. Now it's time to place the wall cabinets. Instead of adding them one by one, we have a convenient option in the top toolbar. We developed an AI wizard for this. You can simply click on the wall wizard and select the desired cabinet height. The program is warning you to add the windows or other openings in order for the wall wizard to bring the best results. Do not click next, but somewhere on the canvas in order to exit this window. Let's add the window above the sink. Click on Door Window. Choose Double Window. Click. And click somewhere on the wall where you would like to position it. Let's see how this looks. Click on 3D. Let's make some modifications to this window. Right-click on the window and now change some of the characteristics. We can change the width, the height, its position on the wall, etc. I will rotate it inverse to see the handles. And let's add a view. For example, lake view. Click Submit, and we are done. Let's go back to the Wall Wizard, Tools. Click on Wall Wizard. Choose the height, click Next. Now click Next. Great. Let's add the microwave above the range. Go to Appliances, Microwave, and select the one. I'll choose this one, bring it to the canvas. Go to 2D, right-click on the microwave and rotate it. Okay. Move it above the range, like this. 3D. Now, if your client wants to change the height of the wall cabinets, instead of changing each cabinet one by one, you can simply click on Tools and Wall Size Up. Change them to 36. We can also change the color and the style of the cabinets very easy. Right-click on the wall cabinet, Cabinet Options, change the style. Apply this change to all wall cabinets. And now we will change it, for example, to blue shaker. Click Submit. We can change the handle position on some of the cabinets. Right-click on the cabinet, handle side, choose right. Submit. Right-click on the cabinet, Cabinet Options, choose right. Submit. We should change this one too. Cabinet Options, right, Submit. We are done with the wall cabinets. Now that the cabinets are in place, I'm going to update the handles. I open the handle option and choose one of the styles. All the handles update at once, which saves time. Next, I'll change the flooring by selecting one of the options from the library. With just one click. Very easy. Let's go to countertop. It's very nice. We will stay in 3D and change the backsplash. Go to Tools, click on Backsplash. The program asks you on which wall would you like to add the backsplash. We can add it to all of the walls. We have Auto option, which means to apply the backsplash only between the cabinets, only where you have the cabinets. Custom, to apply the backsplash to any wall that you prefer. I'll go to Auto option. Now let's choose the backsplash. We need to specify what will be the height of our backsplash. Will it be the small one, a big one? So that's basically the backsplash between the base and wall cabinets. Custom, we can choose the height, any height that we prefer, or fill option. This option fills the backsplash between the cabinets and also behind the hood or behind the window, etc. I'll choose big out to fill between cabinets. Perfect. Since there are so many models you can choose from and designers usually have their favorites, we created a shortcut that lets you select your preferred model with just one click. Go to Tools, Edit Favorites, right-click on Favorites, click on Edit, and start the setup. You will have to choose your favorite countertop, favorite flooring, and it will ask you to add the backsplash that you prefer, on which walls to add it, and what will be the height of it. Go next, choose the handles. Next, choose the window view. And the last, it will ask you if you would like to add the lights wizard each time when you click on favorites. I'll just go escape this time. So each time you're working on some project, and once you finish with the cabinets and you want to move to these decorations, just click on Tools and Favorites, and all the models will automatically be added to your design. This saves a lot of time. After we added the materials to our kitchen, we can now move on with decorating the cabinets. I will add the crown molding on the top of the wall cabinets with just one click. Go to Tools, click on Crown Molding, and we are done with the crown molding. If any of the wall cabinets need adjusting, just right-click on the cabinet, Cabinet Options, go to Crown Molding, and turn on the right side crown molding for this cabinet. Click Submit. Now we will add the toe kick for the bottom of the base cabinets. It's better to turn 2D for this modification. Go to Tools and click on Toe Kick. You see how it's added to the design. This is the toe kick line. Go to 3D, and you see there are no seams between the bottom of the base cabinets. To complete the look of the fridge, we will add the fridge panel. I'll show you how. Let's go to Cabinets, go to Accessories, and find the fridge panel. Drag it to the canvas. Right-click on the panel and turn it. Go to 2D and move the panel next to the fridge. Now let's go back to 3D. The fridge panel is 96 inches long. We need to cut it to 90 inches so that it matches the wall cabinets. Right-click on panel, click on cabinet options, and change the dimensions. Change the height to 90 inches. Click Submit. We need to adjust the crown molding for the cabinet above the fridge. Right-click on the cabinet, cabinet options, crown molding. We will turn off the left side crown molding from this cabinet. Click Submit, and we will turn it on the fridge panel. We need to change the color of the fridge panel to match the wall cabinets. Right-click on the panel, cabinet options, change the style. We will apply this only to the fridge panel. Click Submit, and we are done. There is just one thing missing from this L-shaped kitchen: an island. Adding an island will make the layout feel complete. I'll switch to 2D view first. When placing and adjusting cabinets and appliances, it's usually easier and better to work in 2D. For decorations and fine adjustments, the 3D view is often more convenient. An island can be created by using base and wall cabinets or a combination of both, depending on its size. Let's go to Cabinets and find base 36. Drag it and place it on the desired position on the canvas. Let's right-click on the cabinet and rotate it. Great. Now I will add the wall cabinet. Instead of scrolling, I can simply type the cabinet size in the search box, in this case 36 by 30. Just drag the cabinet and place it behind the base cabinet, like this. Now I will switch to 3D view. By right-clicking on the cabinet, I can modify its height and other settings. I will adjust the height using general settings. Since I'm not changing the cabinet size, only its position from the floor, I'll type in 4.5 inches because that matches the toe kick height. Click Submit. Now we just need to add the toe kick to this cabinet. Go to Tools and click on Toe Kick. It's done within a few seconds. Next, I will remove the handles and add the countertop. Now let's add the overhang to this cabinet. Go to Countertop and type in 12 into the bottom section. Click Submit. Now let me show you how to add a waterfall. Go to Cabinets, Base Cabinets, Uncategorize, and here you will find the waterfall. Drag it to the canvas. Let's go back to 2D to position the waterfall and change its measurements. Let's turn it. Right-click on waterfall. Go to Cabinet Options. Change the dimensions, depth to 48 inches. Click Submit. Hold the Control button and move the waterfall next to the base and island wall cabinet. Go to 3D. It's great. It's very nice. To finish the design, we can add some decorative elements like bowls or utensils. Very nice. Finally, I'll save the project here. Let's name it as Demo L-shaped kitchen. Click Enter. The software automatically saves your work every few seconds, so even if you don't save it manually, the project will still appear in your files as untitled autosave. After we finish designing the kitchen and want to send everything to the client, the final step is to print all the views. Before clicking the render button, the only thing we need to add is lighting. Lighting is the key setting required for a high-quality render. Lights can be added manually, exactly where you feel certain areas need to be highlighted. If you want to speed up this process, we also have an AI-developed Lights Wizard. Just go to Tools, click on Lights Wizard. The software automatically places lights in optimal positions to create a realistic and well-balanced 3D image. Each light can be adjusted individually. Just right-click on the light and you can change its intensity and height. Once the lighting is set, the design is ready for printing. You can print the layout separately. In the top, you will see a logo of your company, and in the right side of the layout, we will also put your logo and some custom details that you prefer. They will appear here. So the MSMV name will not be shown anywhere. Okay. Next, we can also print the elevations, each wall separately. I will just close this for now. The final step is the 3D render. Let's go to 3D. We have two options for render, a standard and outline. I will choose standard render this time. The software suggests camera positions, but you can also place camera anywhere you prefer. Once everything is set, simply click Render, and no additional settings are required. First render usually takes the longest. Each following render will be much faster. Render speed depends on the size of the kitchen, number of lights, and your internet connection. And you can just download it now. I'll close. Let me show you the outline option as well. Render outline. This is how it looks if we render just the outline. Option, close. On the right-hand side, we have the cart. Here we can review the full list of items, check quantities, and make sure nothing is missing or needs to be adjusted. We can just click on Checkout, enter your email address, and this will generate a link with the invoice, the list, and the pricing, which you can send directly to your client. However, if we want to finish everything with just one click and send the client a complete package as quickly as possible, we can simply choose Print Presentation. This will generate a professional PDF presentation that includes your company logo, your brand colors, the invoice, layout, and elevations, all in one document. Let me download this to show you how it looks. So this is how the presentation looks. Here we will have your company logo, then the price list, and then we have the layout and elevations. Okay. With this, we have completed the designer-focused introduction to MSMV. Next, I'll show you the version of the software specifically designed for customers, which they can use directly through your website. This is the version of MSMV designed specifically for customers, which they can access directly through the website of their cabinet supplier. When they open the program, this window appears. They enter their email address, and some basic personal information. They need to accept the terms and click Next. Let's just start designing. I will keep on the tutorial mode for now. So on the left side, we have some predefined layouts, cabinet collections. We can draw the walls manually. While they are designing, the software guides them step by step using the tutorial mode, so they always know what to do next. Okay. This version is simplified and much easier to use compared to the designer version. They can also add the doors and windows if needed. Then they can select one of the cabinet collections. Step 2, they can browse your cabinet catalog and place cabinets directly into the design. The process is very simple and intuitive and very funny for customers to use. Okay. It's very important that customers cannot edit the prices or the sizes of the cabinets. This ensures accuracy and keeps everything aligned with your product catalog. They also have a limited access to the appliances. Okay. If they are not confident about their design, they can simply click Send to our designer for review at the top of the page. And your team will receive a link to their design and they can assist them with a final layout and purchasing process. When it comes to the tools, customers do not have access to Lights Wizard or full rendering options. Instead, they can switch to 3D view and take a screenshot. This generates a 3D image of their design. They can also print the layout, elevations, or full PDF presentation that includes both views in one file. In the top right corner, there's a card. Once they finish designing, they can proceed to checkout. At this point, they should be confident with their layout because after they confirm, your designer receives the design link and can continue assisting them with the purchase. This concludes our demo of MSMV Design software. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you design and sell kitchens faster and more efficiently.